Well, Black Friday is come and gone, and if you're like me, you probably steered clear of the whole chaos. You're either brave or crazy or both to wade into that crowd or any crowd that looks like this. Those same wise avoiders of the Black Friday mayhem still have gutters that look like this. I can't help but notice the similarity. If you leave your gutter cleaning to the last minute, like the Christmas shopping, well, let's just say that you might be in for a real nasty holiday treat. Clogged gutters and downspouts, especially after the first snow and freezing rain, makes gutters all but useless and are notorious for causing basement flooding, wall damage, interior damage, and it can be very disruptive to the holiday setting. It's not too late to still schedule your $250 annual gutter cleaning with Burke & Crew and save. By doing it now, you can save the $1,000 emergency cleaning that we have to charge when we're called out to deal with inclement conditions and deep snow and ice to make your gutters clear so that you can get through the winter. So you can pay me now, or you can pay the emergency fee. Click here to schedule your routine cleaning, and we'll get you taken care of before it gets too much more wintry. Happy holidays.